So I wanted to talk to you guys today a little bit more serious than I normally do, and I wanted to tell you why it's important that you have a why kind of behind your business, the purpose, the reason why you're building a business here online. And I'm going to explain to you or tell you about one of my whys. So my mom lives about 2 hours away, and she is alone up there. And so with my job, it is very, very challenging for me to go to her or help her or take care of her because I'm in healthcare. I take a lot of call. It's very demanding. So I'm on call every other week, which makes it very, very challenging to help her when she needs my help. So I knew this day was coming, but her dog passed away, and her dog is her companion. It's the only thing she has besides, my sister and I. And my sister's here with me, but I feel really bad. And she called me this morning really early, and she was all upset and crying, and that her dog had passed through the night, and she's holding her dog, and I can't go help her. I can't go and sit by her and hug her and hold her hand. I'm stuck here, and the only way I can listen to her or help her or console her is, through the telephone. And that makes me sad. My mom is one of my biggest whys. It's at the top of my list of why I'm building a business online, is because when you build a business online, you eventually will create time freedom and financial freedom. And right now, that is really, really important for me to do, because I'm on call today. I can't leave. I'm stuck. I'm basically trapped. 30 minutes response time is what I have to get from my house to my job when they need me. And so I can't leave. So I feel really bad. And I want to have more time freedom, financial freedom. I want to be my own boss, to be able to make those decisions without, being stressed or frustrated because I can't go to my mom. I can't help her. So I think it's really important when you guys start affiliate marketing or building a business online that you have that solid, strong why that's going to push you through every day. And I just wanted to let you guys know that is one of my whys, and I won't quit until I reach a point to where I quit my job so I can do whatever I want and help my mom when she needs it.